memorable entertainment television. MeTV.
Today on Tune In With Me, we're celebrating American cartoonist, animator, producer, and director Walter Lantz.
Bill, don't forget the best part. We've got 6 cartoons airing for the first time on Tune In With Me.
I know, Toonie, I was getting to that.
Well, you snooze, you lose.
I guess. Get ready, tuners. We've got an hour packed full of some of your favorite characters from renowned animator Walter Lantz, including Woody Woodpecker, Chilly Willy, and Andy Panda.
What's up, Doc? Be very, very quiet. Beep, beep. Suffering succotash.
It's Tune In With Me.
Good morning and welcome to Tune In With Me. I'm Bill, your cartoon curator.
And I'm Toonie the Tuna. Bill, this is so exciting. Today, we got 6 Tune In With Me cartoon debuts from the one and only Walter Lantz.
Toonie, it's true, we do. Walter Lantz was a key figure during the golden age of animation. He was heavily influenced by nature, creating some of the most iconic characters based off of animals like Andy Panda, Wally Walrus, and a certain bird with a very distinctive laugh.
Woody Woodpecker.
Yeah, the one and only Woody Woodpecker, Toonie. But the origin story of Woody Woodpecker may be even more special than his cheeky laugh. Legend has it that during Walter Lantz and actress Grace Stafford's honeymoon, a woodpecker disrupted their stay, incessantly pecking on their roof. It's said that Walter's bride encouraged him to use the pesky bird as inspiration for a brand new character, and lo and behold, Woody Woodpecker was born.
Oh, hey, guess they don't say happy wife, happy life for nothing.
Toonie, there are no truer words. And with that, let's get to our very first debut cartoon of the day, which also happens to be the premier animated short in the Woody Woodpecker series. This is one of the first 3 cartoons where Mel Blanc voiced the original Woody. See if you can spot some of the similarities between Mel Blanc's Daffy Duck, minus the lisp. From 1941, here is Woody Woodpecker. Enjoy.
Guess who? Everybody thinks I'm crazy. Yes, sirree, that's me, that's me. That's what I'm cracked up to be. I chop a hole in every tree. Knock on wood. Oh, well, knock on wood. So I'm crazy, so what can I do? So are you.
Hey, you! Cut out that noise!
Ah, go lay an egg. Get that stuff. Come down and fight like a man. I can lick you and your whole family.
Oh, shut up.
Who says so?
I says so.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, ganging up on me, huh? I'll show ya. Put 'em up. You all look alike to me.
I think the guy's crazy. Boy, is he a screwball.
He must be nutty.
Yeah, he's slap happy. I think the guy's nutty. He's crazy. He's a screwball. He's weird. He's always crazy. He's bad.
Yeah, that's right. He's crazy, all right. You're absolutely right. A guy like that ought to be locked up.
That woodpecker's crazy as a loon. You said it.
About whom were you referring? About whom?
We think you're crazy. Yeah, you got some screws loose.
So I've got some screws loose. Well, watch this. How am I doing?
We still think you're crazy.
Don't, Mr. Screwball.
If you're so smart, let's see what you can do to that tree.
It's a cinch.
told you you're crazy.
You're screwy. Yeah, you're nuts.
Better get your head examined.
You ought to see a psychiatrist.
Maybe I am crazy. Maybe I'd better see a I'll go see a doctor.
Egad, what a night! I saw them do this in the movies. How are you, laddie boy? Any similarity between me and the doctor is purely accidental.
I think this guy's balmy.
Sit down, stand up, bend over, straighten up, open your mouth, close your mouth, stick out your tongue, say yeah, rub your head, pat your foot. Habit forming, isn't it? Now, I give you the equilibrium test.
Hi, Doc. Remember me?
That's very funny. Ha, ha, ha. But I didn't like it, see? Now read that line.
Can't see a thing, Doc.
I'll bet you can see it now.
I'll bet you I can't neither.
Well, open your eyes.
I can see. I can see. Yeah, I can see. Doc, you're wonderful.
Didn't mind him, folks. He's crazy. Aye, he's crazy, but I'm all right. Or am I? Yahoo! Whoopee!
That doctor sure is a card, isn't he? But I don't think he's near as funny as the Woodpecker. Do you think so, Mr. Huh? Do you, Mr. Huh? I like cartoons. Don't you like cartoons? Help! Get me out of here! Help!
When we return.
Come on, girls. It's time to go to work.